Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S25. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. Now in this pop-up you can select whatever you want to, and then click on your device's displays. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and receive right next to Send at the bottom of S25. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some deep pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and then choose Receive button. Wherever you decided, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!